So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Thor ATN smart thermal scope. Some people are going to say, oh, what do you need that for? Well, I shoot a lot of rabbits, varmints, things like that. Public enemies number 1 and 2, rabbits and woodchucks that attack my garden. It's a means of me protecting my investment. There's nothing worse than walking outside and seeing a rabbit run off after he's just milled down the bases of 14 pepper plants. So that might not excite you people, but it puts a burr in my heel. So between that and, you know, I've gotten rid of 81 skunks in 4 years. So let's just say, no, I don't eat them, but I got a couple furs around. But anyway, the next video we'll get into firing this thing up and trying to get a little bit of footage for you. I don't know if I'll see any more rabbits. I got quite a few of them over the winter this year. But it's going to be nice not having to go out there with my green light anymore and having to flash these things. You know, I don't even think the neighbors really see the green light too much, but in the event somebody did, they'd probably think an alien was landing or something like that. But this is going to allow me to, you know, slip around in the dark of the night. And, you know, if a camera goes off because a rabbit is in the garden, then I'm just going to go out and dispatch them and then throw them in the freezer. So that's that. So here we are. Got ourselves a nice box here. EDC, as you saw in the last video. Just gonna pull out this packing slip in case I need it. Nice to have an edge on your everyday carry knife. See what kind of packaging we got here. We don't need all this. All right, what do we got here? We got a ATN quick detach mount for X-Sight 4K and Thor 4 series. Got some intruder in the perimeter outside. And that situational awareness. That's why nobody could step foot on my property without me knowing. We got the extended battery life package. The future of optics. All right. And, drum roll please, like in Christmas Vacation. There you go. Get rid of that. So, you got the ATN Thor 4 Smart HD Thermal Rifle Scope. And this is the 384. Let me just make sure I got that right. The 384 sensor. Yeah, too much stuff here to read. Yeah, 384 by 288 sensor. That's the middle of the road for these guys. 1.25 by 5x. Yeah, this is the 1.25 by 5x. There's 4 different choices. So let's see what we got here. This thing been here for a week and a half and I'm just opening it now. I ain't like most people. I don't get overly excited for stuff. I buy things out of necessity. It's actually a pretty nice box. If I can figure out how to open it. Which way does it go, George? Here we go. It's kind of an impressive cardboard box. Don't need that. All right, Got yourself a nice little manual. Nice anti-fog cloth, looks like. I guess this whole thing fits in this nice little, it's almost like a neoprene case. It's actually kind of nice. Maybe a little shock drop protection, something like that. Let's keep this in here for now. So you guys can see, I hope. Now I thought by the pictures and other reviews I've seen that this thing would be a little bigger. It's got a little weight to it, first impression. It's not overly big though. Pretty nice. Let me get my cheaters on. Getting old here. You got your regular power switch, a couple arrow keys. So hopefully that's relatively simple for a dum-dum like me. A couple ports on the side here, and a function knob. All right. This should be an eye reticle cover or eyepiece. Now this is just going to be a quick unboxing. We'll do some future stuff with this when I get it all set up. It's pretty nice. Flexible, pliable. Plastic threading. You got your eye rings, quick detach mount, some kind of, is it a dove rail? But I'm supposed to be getting, and this should be it, I would think. No, that's just a cord. So I'm going to be getting some more quick detach. I'm going to get like 3 of them for 3 different guns. So I'll be able to apply this or mount it and detach it to any one of those guns. But quality, the feel of the product, I mean, it feels like it's well built. Pretty nice. I'm not going to turn it on yet. I'm actually going to go through these instructions. That's what men do, right? Not. And we'll see what's next. All right, we've got a couple extra things in here. Connect your ATN smart device to your iOS device by installing the Obsidian 4 app. So that's kind of cool. We'll do that in a minute. I'd have to shut the camera down because I'm using a camera to film. ATN Thor 4 Series Quick Start Guide. This is my kind of cheat sheet right here. Quick start. Basic information. Features: mounting your scope, charging the device, turning your Thor 4 on and off. Choose your lens type, modes. Oh, it's got a micro SD card. Sweet. So you can film your hunts, you can record and play them on your computer afterwards or your YouTube channel. All right. Success. All right, let's check out this quick detach mount. Comes with an Allen key. Everything's bubble wrapped nice. All right, so let's see, this is different than this one, I believe. Same eye rings. You know what, let's just tear this sucker open. All right, so this is a little different. This is almost like a cantilever doverail mount. So that's kind of cool, but it's similar in nature, I mean. So I guess this one has a detachable doverail cantilever, and then it has a doverail mount on here that where this one's integrated. So that's kind of nice. I don't know if you could see that. Pretty good. But I'm gonna end up getting a couple more of these. I don't know if I can use doverail on everything though. But I got at least 2 rifles that I can use this on. That's pretty nice, well constructed. It's got a little weight to it, which, you know, a lot of people think light, but I like a little bit of weight. It absorbs more of the shot with less deflection on the rifle and things like that. It almost makes you more accurate. My opinion, anyway. And it's not often I miss what I'm aiming at. All right, let's open up this extended battery life package here. Now, I technically did not order this, so this has to be part of the package. It did state that this unit has a 18-hour battery life, I believe. It's either 14 or 18. I'm pretty sure it was 18 continuous hours. I mean, I'm sure it's probably less than that, but again, it's nice having a sharp EDC blade, even though that's just plastic. Oh, nice. Is this a gun stock bag? I mean, let me see. Oh, wow. It is. Little zipper pouch. Strap this onto your stock. Got a little ammo, Velcro ammo carrier here. 3 Velcro straps. It's actually pretty decent. Grab handle, kind of nice. There's looks like the battery. A lot of Chinese writing on there. I am a China virus survivor, so kind of fitting. Surprised this thing wasn't stuck on a ship somewhere out in the sea. Charging cord, pretty stout. And I got a little rubber grommet here. You know what? I'm guessing this is to replace, probably to keep the cord and the battery all plugged in together. Well, would you look at here? I've got a little piece of paper here. Quick deploy cheaters. Oh yeah. All right, so that pouch is to carry the battery, the external battery, and that cord I just showed you plugs into the battery, which plugs into the side of the scope. So the little grommet though, does that go in here? I don't think so. Does that show it? I'll have to figure out where that little grommet goes. I mean, it very well could. It's got to go in the side of the gun there somewhere. This little grommet I'm talking about got a little hole in it. And that looks like it'll fit this end of the cord. It's a USB cord here, but it looks like it'll fit the end of the cord with the 90 degree on there. Just to show you though. This is, I don't know if you could see it. Hopefully you can. So I can't wait to dig into this and kind of see what we got. I know my buddy Joey that was here the other day, he might be more excited for this than I am. But I may not look like I'm excited, but I'm kind of excited. But I know some guys, they get overly excited about guns and stuff. I don't have that excitement. I treat everything like it's a tool. I know I need the things. All right, this box kind of sucks. All right, here we go. Well, it's a decent sized battery. Decent size, that's a fact. It's got a little weight to it. It's got dual USB ports on it. It's got 4. I'm not going to take the thing off just yet, but it's got an on-off switch here, I guess. And it's got 4 different ports. Looks like 2 USB. Might as well just show you. There's one more USB port under the tape there, but I'm going to leave this on just so I don't get no dust or debris in there. Well, pretty nice. But I got to get outside and split some more wood. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing to show you what was in here and the quality of the packaging, which is good. I got no complaints on the packaging. Pretty nice. The UPS guy seemed very, very good. Or FedEx, I'm sorry. It was FedEx. Guy was treating it gentle. Well, actually, this goes inside this. I'm just going to put it back the way I found it till I get a chance to really dig in here, read the instructions. And we'll be doing another video on all of this stuff once I get it set up and get a little use out of it. Let's see, I'm going to throw the packing slip in here, a little easier to keep from losing it. Just in case there's an issue, I have everything. I can send it back. Although, from what I've been reading, that this company has come a long way, and they've been getting a lot of praise, a lot of good praise from customers. So I don't want to put it. This is going to roll off, maybe. Oh no. So far I like it. So far so good. I mean, initial impression, it looks like the quality is there. I guess the best thing to do would be, you know, get into this thing, get it mounted, charged up, poke a couple rabbits, and go from there. I feel like Clark Kent, these glasses. Thanks for joining me today. Look forward to the next video on this. God bless.